it's me, Veronica, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a quick video because I actually have to head out and running to do some errands really quick. But before I go, I wanted to show you how I have my bag packed up. And as you can hear, I have my little helper on the side of me right now. My almost 2-year-old daughter. Her name is Lyric. But anyways, I have to hurry up and get ready to go, and I wanted to show you guys how I have my bag packed up for a trip out to the store, or if I have an appointment or whatever the case may be. It's not too many places I can go right now because we're still on lockdown, unlike some other states. And I do want to apologize for this angle. I tried to find an angle that will work for this to get the whole bag in this shot, but it just didn't work out for me. I think I do have to repurchase another tripod. But anyways, if you would like to see how I have this bag, the Jujubee mini backpack packed up, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is a part of Jujubee's Ever collection, and this is their color Noir, and it has the rose gold hardware. I did get this bag during their warehouse sale for a really good deal, and this is the bag that I've been carrying every time I go out to the grocery store, to the pharmacy, wherever. This is the bag that I'm carrying. But let's get right into it. So it only has one external pocket, this zipper pocket right here. Don't have a whole lot in there. I have a lot of hand sanitizer, so I have a spray hand sanitizer, my lip gloss, another hand sanitizer that's like almost empty from Grove Collaborative, my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer that is also almost empty. I've had with me forever, and a pen. So that's all I have in the external pocket. There's no bottle pockets on the outside. That's just it. And on the inside, I'm going to try to see if I can angle it for you, but I'm going to pull things out. I'm going to show you how it looks packed up, and then I'm going to start pulling things out. That's how I have it. It has two like stretchy pockets, I guess you can use as bottle pockets. I don't, clearly. And then one zipper pocket. So I'm going to pull out the item that I have in the zipper pocket. Up here, I have a LYMIA brand coin purse. This is their Grace coin purse, and this color is called I'm Moody. I did show this in another video, but it's like super cute. I have some hair bows, well, hair tie, lip gloss, and my pill case in there. That's all I keep in there. In this pocket right here, I just have my glasses that just broke. So I'm like really mad about that because I can't go to see my ophthalmologist or the prescriber to go get them fixed right now. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do it myself. I have my Jujubee coin purse in the print sketch, and it just has like all my insurance cards and stuff like that in here. In this pocket, it's one of my newest additions and my newest loves. Oh, cute. Is this Barbie pink, but I'll link everything in the description box below. I believe she's going to be doing some pre-orders soon, so if you didn't get a chance to grab one, you'll have an opportunity to pre-order one when they come in. So in here, this is what I've been using as my wallet. In there, I have some spray deodorant. I have a regular deodorant. Don't ask me why I have two. I have a notebook so that I can write things down while I'm out, make lists so I won't forget. I have my keys thrown at the bottom of the bag. I have a coin purse with coins, and this is my Dirty Unikiki 2.0 coin purse. Snacks. And some lotion. And this actually fell off my planner, but this is like a little gift. I purchased these from an Etsy shop called Duchess Gems. And I'll link her shop down below. She has some beautiful paper clips like this and things that you can decorate your planners. And that is all that I have. Again, this was a very quick video. Sorry if it felt a little rushed. I'm actually going to be heading right out the door. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See how I have my bag packed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.